Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to find the sales price using the percent discount. The first thing we need to go over is the formula. The new price is equal to the original times 1 minus the discount rate. So we can rewrite it in shorthand of N for new price, O for original, R for discount rate. Then we're going to read the problem. A theater originally costs. So that is our original price or our O. But it is now 22% off our discount rate or R. What is the sales price or the new price? N. So now let's set up the formula like we have, but with numbers. Our new price, N, is equal to our original price, 36.5, times 1 minus 22%. We have to write 22% as a decimal, which means move that decimal spot over 2 times. So we'll have 0.22. So then we continue. N equals 36.5 times 1 minus 0.22, which is 0.78. 0.78 times 36.5. And we just plug that into our calculator, round if we have to, and we can see our new price is $28.47.